But they're fire though. And I used to chew.
No, because I have to sing. There you go! Big about shoes, but I think that's okay. Shoes. Yeah, go right there. Yeah. We ready to go?
Nice.
Nearly every night.
The wax.
My eyes had like a fever.
See, I did it wrong.
Mom
sorry,
poured oregano oil down my throat.
What?
Swallow air and then let it. Excuse me.
Du müsst ja noch dranbleiben, aber jetzt noch einmal.
Okay.
The kick is on the floor, and there's a sort of a secondary kick or a tom that's tapping along.
Right, we'll bring it down. Hey, RJ. It looks like most places more content have their chairs outside. Do you think we have work to outside as well? Thank you, Shannon. We've got Ryan and...
Ladies and gentlemen, Alexa Luria!
Yes! Mood.
Sorry. I think it's really funny.
Okay, I'm gonna try. It might hurt me more than it hurts you. I'm sorry.
If you don't like me, that's fine. But, you know.
What would a Billie Eilish horror movie look like?
Probably the Bury a Friend video.
So Muriel's Wedding was your first big movie?
My first big movie.
Big movie, a big successful movie. And The Mask was yours. Well, what great movies to sort of like... She's annoying and loud and the other one's pretty and ill. But you know what I'm saying? And I thought maybe make a follow-up and one of you die.
And know that it's a whole new set of people. Because as a singer, I'm reading. No, because I have to sing.
Okay.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I.
Seriously, it's not gonna stop. I'm so sorry. The song is... Alright.
Okay, that was it. That's cool. Okay.
Entertained her. I'm just trying to get some cash on the side. Happy birthday, kids.